So this is Not the End Crochet, and I'm bringing you a hook collection update for 10/28/24. Let's see, I know what I got. I'm trying to do this without the aid of the tripod because it's a pain to get out of this little bag. Let's see. Well, anxious to see this one. I didn't think the last one was up to par. It wasn't stirred good. Everything was settled either in the top or in the bottom. Let's see. Okay, I know what I got. Since I'm trying to collect all of the zodiacs, the last one was a Libra. This one is a Scorpio, and all the ones I get that are zodiac are 5.5 millimeter. So, one question is, did they stir it properly? Does it have a good mix? Somebody else is wrapping them. Not wrapped as good as it used to be. Weight open other end. So it's this one. I thought that was black and like a dark fuchsia, but it's black and red. Okay, it's kind of pretty. I'll bring it closer so you can see it good. Yeah, that's close. See, it's red. It's a good tone of red. It's classic red and black with gold sparkles in it. And a little bit of silver, but mostly gold, and I see a little gray. Pretty hook. Really pretty hook. I don't know if you can see the sparkles on the, just picking it up, maybe a little bit. Yeah, that's a nice looking hook. I have to make another pouch for my resin hooks because I'm having to leave them in the box because I got nowhere to put them. Okay. Yep, that's it. Quick video. It's nice. I'm satisfied with this one. Y'all have a blessed day. Toodles.